Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best condenser microphones available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Audio-Technica AT2020 microphone. It is intended to be a basic studio microphone that most aspiring artists can afford. It lacks several features compared to more expensive condenser microphones. For instance, there isn't a switch for filters or pads. Don't let that deter you, though, since this mic stands out for its versatility and affordable pricing. It works well for recording vocals or instruments, especially when close miking. Its noise level is the one issue some have with it, but for the price, you really can't complain. Cardioid polar pattern improves separation of desired sound source by lowering pickup of sounds from the sides and back. At number 2 is the MXL 770 Cardioid condenser microphone. We wholeheartedly endorse using the MXL Mic 770 as a microphone for beginners. This is one of the best low-cost solutions available if you're an aspiring vocalist, recording artist, or even podcaster. Although the price is significantly lower than the first microphone we reviewed, the audio quality isn't quite as good. But it's equally adaptable. Because of its cardioid polar pattern, it can record group vocals equally as well as solo vocals. Additionally, it can be used as an ambient mic or to capture instruments in its entirety. It picks up a lot of background noise and wind noise, which is the only significant issue we have discovered with it. Consequently, purchasing a pop filter is unquestionably worthwhile. At number 3 on our list is the Rode NT USB condenser microphone. One of the most well-known brands of condenser microphones is Rode. We therefore knew the NT USB microphone would be interesting to look at when it was introduced. The main difference between USB microphones and regular condenser microphones is that using a USB microphone doesn't require an audio interface. Actually, the computer sees the microphone as a standard USB audio interface. Therefore, even if this microphone is still quite pricey, you will still save a lot of money by using it. It's fantastic for recording vocals and guitar, much like all Rode condenser mics, but it definitely can't record a kick drum. Actually, this microphone is a great present for podcasters and gamers as well as for musicians. Moving up at number 4 is the Shure SM7B Cardioid dynamic microphone. One of the most renowned and esteemed condenser microphones in the industry is the Shure SM7B Cardioid dynamic microphone. Numerous famous people utilize this version of the SM7B as both a live and recording microphone, including Michael Jackson, who used the original to record portions of Thriller. But it will cost you a sizable sum of money if you want to be a part of this exclusive club. We would classify this as a mid to high-end condenser microphone, not the priciest one available. It is undoubtedly studio grade and one of the greatest ways to obtain a studio quality sound without spending thousands of dollars. Although it can be used for nearly anything, the greatest male vocal mic in the world is commonly regarded as having this feature. More helpful items for musicians can be found in our guide to the best earplugs for concerts. At number 5 is the Audio-Technica AT2035 Cardioid condenser microphone. Due to its emphasis on the mid and high range frequencies, this vocal microphone has proven incredibly popular with singers. Although it doesn't perform quite as well as the more expensive Shure SM7B, it really outperforms many other high-end mics. If you're seeking for a reliable condenser microphone to record voices, we'd say this one has to be worth taking into account. Although it is rather versatile, like all Audio-Technica microphones, there are better microphones for recording instruments. A wonderful present for musicians and music fans. Cardioid polar pattern improves separation of desired sound source by lowering pickup of sounds from the sides and back. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.